Alright everybody, this is just a quick rundown on how to get Microsoft Office installed if you haven't done it already. First and foremost, you're going to want to go to Students, and then you can go to your email from there. Your email, and of course my window is not showing up. Let me try to get this. There we go. So we can see it a little bit here. Oh, close enough, I think. Alright, well, anyway, right up here in the upper left corner, you'll see this little box here. Now, these are the Microsoft Online apps. Do not use them. Not at all. Don't even bother with them, because you can't use those for this course. Up here, however, you can. Click on this. And it should take you to Microsoft Office website. As long as you have a PC or a Mac, you can come up here and install. Then it should install everything. Now, there are occasions where it malfunctions when it does that. It just depends. This back away. It should take a little bit of time, not a tremendous amount of time, but a little bit. Now, if by chance you already have it installed, but you're using, let's say, a temporary version of it or something like that, you can change it after the fact. Try my best to open it here. Now, if you do have an issue with this, and it tells you something like contact administrator or something, it happens occasionally, contact IT, email. As a matter of fact, that should be right here. Need help logging into Canvas, ... There's your information on how to log in. Again, under Students. And if you scroll down just a wee bit more, you'll see they actually have like the help desk email, the help desk number, and they will be the easiest people to call to get yourself hooked up and ready to get. Now, if you already have Office and you're using some Gmail or some other passwords or something, you can just switch the account. I'll have one email here, but I can go up here and switch it to whatever I want. You just switch, add account, and change it to, this particular one or whatever. And hopefully you won't have any issues with that. You may have to reboot it or whatever, but you should be fine as long as you swapped out like that. And then you should be good to go. It should work for all of them. I just opened Word, but you can open pretty much any of them and it should work. Alright, but that's the rough gist of it. You go to your email, you hit that little box in the upper left corner, and then it should install. And hopefully you shouldn't have to do anything else. If you, again, already have it installed, you can go to Account and you can change that email. And it should be your Northwest email. Then it should work. If you do get some weird, oh no, contact administrator, that's when you should contact IT and just let them know, you installed Microsoft Office and it's giving you this weird error message. Usually it's just a few things for them to click and they can fix it. It usually fixes fairly quickly, within the day, usually. I've had one or two, rarely, who have bigger issues, but that may take a little bit longer. But usually most people get it fixed pretty quickly. And if you're watching this video, you're probably imminently going to have to do Microsoft Office stuff, so try to get everything installed and ready to go before you have to dive into everything. And as usual, if you have any other questions or problems or anything, just go ahead and let me know.